Hi guys, today I'm going to show you this very powerful LOKITHOR jump starter. You can see the model type, it's J401. We have a high capacity 20,000 milliamps battery inside, which keeps the power for up to 24 months. That's also something which is really important, that it doesn't lose the power on its own, and when you use it, it's not there. So here you can definitely rely on that. We have also nice built-in protection to avoid sparks and other things. Can work up to 8.5 liters of gas engine capacity and up to 6.5 liters of diesel size. We have a peak current of up to 2,500 amps, and it's also of course IP65 waterproof protected, so you can definitely use it outside even when there are a couple of raindrops. And it's very easy to use in 3 steps. So we add the clamps first, then connect the clamps to the device, push the button and start the engine. So of course we want to see what's in there. Comes with a short instructions manual, and it's not only powerful, very functional, but has also very high-tech, beautiful design. So this could also work as a nice gift. And of course we get also some accessories here inside, more here on this side. Here we get the carport charger. You can see 12 volt to normal DC. We get the charging cable, standard USB-A to USB-C, one for USB-C to USB-C, and then of course the clamps to hook up to the battery. And you can see how massive they are. And not only massive, but also very large. You can also see the nice protection here everywhere. This is great to avoid some short circuits. But what I usually do anyway, I attach these clamps first to the batteries. First, of course, the minus, then the plus, because the minus is already connected to the chassis of the car anyway. What we also have here, that's a very unique thing, some extra protection, something I've never seen before, and that's this cap here. I mean, we already have some decent protection, usually it's nice plastic around. So if you start to connect to the battery and this is hanging down and touching the body of the car, usually nothing is going to happen. But here we have even this extra protection, definitely great idea. And so after the clamps are attached to the battery, we can remove this cap, then also remove the cap here on this side and connect the clamps to the battery like that. And after that we turn it on here, go inside of the car, turn it on, and it will start instantly. And of course we also have this wrong insert protection, so it's impossible to insert it like that. We can only insert it like this. Really nice cap here. One of the best protections I've ever seen on a jump starter. But we have also more here on this side. You can see we have all the ports. We have the DC port, we have USB-C, we have standard USB-A, which you can use to charge your phone, power anything else. And after we turn it on, you can see the really nice, beautiful display. Have you ever seen such a really great display before? And so no matter if you have bright sunlight outside or dark night, this thing is always visible, nice and clear. You definitely don't need to use your reading glasses, and it shows you nicely the voltage of your battery. And on this side we have the control of the powerful light. So when we long press, goes into steady and very strong light. We push again the button here, goes into red flashing. We push again, goes into automatic SOS, and then push again and it will turn off. And as a very special function, we can also measure the voltage of the car battery, not this battery, because when we just plug it in, it will also measure the voltage of this jump starter. And so after we connect it, or we have even used it to make a jump start, we can press the power switch button here and then the green light will turn off and only show the voltage of the car battery and not of this jump starter. I'm not going to test all the powerful ports here, and because ports are so powerful, I'm going to show and test this a little bit more in detail. Of course, not everything. USB-A is a powerful. USB-A is output, of course, and can deliver up to 18 watts output with up to 12 volts with quick charge support. That's great. Here we have the DC 12 volt, which you can use to charge this jump starter with up to 60 watts. But the highlight, of course, is the USB-C, which works as input and output for up to 100 watts. That's pretty impressive. So let's see. Plug it in here. We get confirmation on the display. It says fast in, but of course we want to see more details. And so here on the right side we can see that we are super close to 100 watts charge. And so let's also check how much output we can generate on USB-C. You can see output flashing. We are already at 4.5 amps, 19 volts, so that's a whopping 92 watts output here. Let's see if we can increase that a little bit more. We have a 99, we have a 100, we have 102, 103, 105, 106. Yeah, okay, I stopped this here again, but this definitely proves that this thing is absolutely super powerful, not only as a jump starter but also as a USB-C power source. By the way, if the jump start is failing, then it's usually not a problem with the jump starter, it's usually a problem that the battery is just too low. And for this situation we have this forced start function built in, so we have to turn it on normally, so you can see something like that, and while it's on we push the light and this power button both at the same time for 3 seconds, and then we'll see this red light. Of course it throws an error because it's not connected to the car, but in this state it would transfer the power immediately. As soon as you connect, the clamps can of course then cause some sparks. Be prepared for that. At the time when you connect the clamps it could produce a quick spark, but nothing to worry. This is absolutely normal, but at least then you should be able to finally start your car. Yeah, there's definitely no doubt this is one of the most powerful, most functional and also most beautiful car jump starters I've ever seen and tested. And it comes also with a lot of accessories. Maybe the only thing missing here is a female car port, which you could hook up here and then use some other 12 volts devices here. That's maybe the only thing regarding accessories, but regarding functionality and usage, this is the thing to go. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order one for you if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.